There's no way in hell you were taught this in school, okay? So has anybody like ever asked you like what the weather is outside and it's like in the middle of the summer and you want to be able to respond, hace mucho calor. Okay, how about this? You and your dog just went outside playing around. It's muddy outside. They come in the house and they're about to jump on your couch. You want to be able to say, no lo haga. Hola, buenos. Me llamo daljiimarax. If you're new here, we learn in Spanish together. Yeah, together, okay? Or, okay, so let's say that you're outside on a nice little walk and a stranger walks up to you and says, oh my God, have you seen my dog? He just ran away. I'm looking for him. You might be able to say like, no tengo ni idea. Alright, so you just sat down at a bomb-ass restaurant, but you don't eat meat. So you might need to tell it or ask the waiter, ¿Tienes un plato vegetariano, por favor? Ooh, okay, say you're backpacking around South America and you pull up to the bus station and you try to buy your ticket to the next country. You may need to ask the attendant, ¿Habla escalas? Alright, say you're standing around waiting for your Uber and somebody comes up and asks you what time it is. You're going to need to know how to say like, son las 6:04. Instead of saying de nada all the time, start saying like no hay de qué or con gusto. Okay, say you just got in a taxi in a Spanish speaking country and he asks you all type of questions like, was you here by yourself? You might be like, he venido con mi familia. Alright, say you have the worst flight day ever. Your plane got delayed a couple of hours. You pulled up to the destination, the taxi taking forever. You pull up to the taxi is driving you to your hotel. Now it's traffic, you wait another 2 hours. You pull up to your hotel, try to come into your reservation, and the attendant says, sorry, we're actually booked up. We might have overbooked. You might say to yourself, estoy auto. Speaking of flights, let's say you get on your flight, you're looking for your seat, boom, boom, boom. You see your seat and you see somebody sitting in it. They refuse to get up. So you wave at the flight attendant and you say, disculpe, esta persona está en mi asiento. It's corny joke time. Let's just say your friend just told you a corny ass joke. You could probably say, no tengo contigo. Damn, what else did we learn in school?